I wish someone told me this before I started coding. I wasted months watching tutorials that taught me nothing. If you're just starting out, you don't need more tutorials. You need the right mindset, the right approach, and the right projects. Today, I'm going to break down the 5 things that would have saved me from all that frustration. Number 1, learning is not all about the syntax. Many people think coding is just memorizing syntax, like it's some secret language only programmers can speak. Spoiler, it's not. It's mostly problem solving. Imagine trying to bake a cake but only knowing how to spell the ingredients. You still won't end up with cake. That's coding without concepts. Learn why things work, not just what to type. Concepts like closures, the event loop, and hoisting might sound scary, but once you understand them, debugging is way less like throwing spaghetti at the wall. For example, say you're building a simple counter button. The beginner might get frustrated constantly Googling syntax, but someone with a problem-solving mindset would break it down, store a number, increment it when clicked, update the display. Step by step, you build up the solution. Number 2, sharing your progress online. Show your code to the internet. Yes, people will roast it. Yes, it will hurt a little, but that's how you get better. Think of it as tough love from strangers who know JavaScript better than you. It's brutal, but it works. Number 3, choosing the right programming language. Picking a language is like picking a flavor of ice cream, except some flavors can explode your brain if you're not ready. To choose the right one, ask yourself 2 questions. 1, why do you want to code? Do you want a big tech job, build a unique app idea, or just code for fun? 2, what do you want to make? If you want websites or web apps, start with HTML to structure your content, CSS to style it, and JavaScript to add interactivity. Then move to frameworks like React, Vue, or Svelte. For mobile apps, learn Swift for iOS, Kotlin for Android, or React Native or Flutter for both. For video games, check out Unity, Godot, or Unreal Engine. Warning, C++ can be challenging. Number 4, useful coding resources. Many resources can help you get started. Websites like Codecademy, Free Code Camp, the Odin Project, and JavaScript.Info are great. YouTube tutorials like Brocode are also helpful. But remember, focus on learning, not just passively watching. Watching without doing is like staring at a gym and expecting to get ripped. Number 5, tutorial hell. Tutorial hell is real. You binge tutorials, feel like you're learning, but nothing sticks. You're basically playing a coding-themed video game where every level is a tutorial, but you never beat the boss. The fix is project-based learning. Apply what you've learned to real projects. If a tutorial teaches you a calculator, try adding subtraction on your own. Build small projects from scratch. Start small, create a personal website or a simple calculator. Real projects mean real problems, and solving them means real growth. That's it. Focus on learning, iterating, and improving. But most importantly, have fun. And if you enjoyed this, subscribe. It's my first video.